What is happening, guys? I want to welcome you to Jetspeed Cycler. I want to show you real briefly how this thing works, how we're making money with this, how we're getting paid 8 times on whatever level that we're on. So the first thing that you do when you get started, you come over here to the website. It pretty much breaks down what it is we're doing, but then you get to select what speed you want to get paid. You want to get paid at $10, $50, $100, 500. Then for the bigger amounts down here, you got 1K, 5K, 10K, 20K, 50K, and of course our biggest, which is 100K. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the $10 one, right, just to show you, because if I'm not mistaken, somebody has just cycled out. They're getting ready to get paid from this one. So it just breaks down what it's all about, what our objective is, which is the overall objective is to receive $80 payments over and over again from just an investment of 10 bucks, right? When they receive 8 $10 payments, that's 80 bucks. They take their money, they can leave, whatever they want to do, or you pay back in with another 10 and do it all over again. It's totally up to them, guys. This is amazing. Let's go down here to the cycling, though. This is what is happening. This person here has just cycled out. Right, you see they have, it tells you right here, current pilot, because what we do is at Jetspeed, you're going to get put in the pilot's chair. When you're in the pilot's chair, you're going to be receiving those payments. Once you hit 8 payments, this person is about to be ejected out of the pilot's chair. Then they can pay to come back in again when it's their turn again. 8, 10 bucks you're going to pay to come back in out of 80 bucks that you profited. So here we go. This person here just cycled. You see right here, number of donations, 8 for a total of 80. It even shows you the last person that cycled, and it shows you the person is getting ready to go in to cycle, guys. This is pretty cool, right? So this is super simple. There's nothing hard about what we're doing. Super simple. I'm gonna do this briefly to maintain the, this is our chart. You see our chart of people that's on here that's getting ready to cycle, right? That I don't want to slow it up because this is private. You don't want people information out there. But that is what we're doing, guys. We're cycling. Man, you could come in at whatever level. Our most popular level is the 100, because you come in for 100, you cycle out with 8, come back in with 100, cycle out with 8. That one is really kicking butt. So, we doing our thing over here at Jetspeed, and we got all these different levels as I showed you. That ain't no joke, guys. We got some nice levels over here, and we're doing some great stuff. So if you want to get over here at Jetspeed and start cycling out, receiving, listen, that's amazing. 8 payments for whatever level that you're on. Come on. Let's make it happen, guys. Let's make this money. Let's cycle out, come back in, do it again. Just keep doing it. There's no limit, right? And then let's say, for instance, while you're in, if you want to, right here, this is something else I really need to show you. It's super cool. So let's say, for instance, you're in, right? And we say that you could buy in at another level, but it has to be 10 below where you are right now. So that's cool. You just wait till some folks hit up under you, then come back in for another $10. So now you're on one particular board cycling 2 or 3 times from 2 or 3 different levels. It's up to you, but it has to be 10 below where you are. All right, so the 11th level is where you go. It would be 10 people from where you are, then the 11th. That's cool, guys. We ain't playing over here. You see somebody just cycled. Here we go in real time. They're about to receive their $80, and they're going to come back in and do it again. So this your man Cashmere Rich. Super excited. I'm glad you guys stopped by. And like I say, come over, pick your speed. Pick it. Whatever speed you want, it's available. Pick your jet speed. Get in here with us. When it comes to you, look at the 20K. I just clicked 20K, right? Let's look at 20K. Woo, look at that. Man, 20,000 8 times. And what we're doing is this. We're letting people build up, right? They're building up. A lot of people are starting at the 100, taking possession. Okay, here's how they're doing it. They start at the 100. They get paid 8 times. They take possession of 800 bucks. Then they upgrade for 500 and restart that 100 again. And they got 200 in their pocket to spend. So now they're cycling at both levels now. Now they're about to get paid 8 times at 500, which is 4,000. Once they do that, they're going to go up to the next one, which is 1K. Now they're about to cycle 8 times at 1K, 8 times at 500, 8 times at 100. Guys, this thing is super simple. So thanks for stopping by. Look forward to working with you at my new Jetspeed Cycler. Let's make this money. Let's help each other out, right? We're doing gifting. We're helping each other out because right now, during COVID-19 and this global pandemic, people are hurting for money, and this is how we help each other to get ahead. So you guys have a great night. Come on, join Jetspeed Cycler. Take care.